现在机器在报故障、报红灯，然后我们先看一下是什么问题。
So now the machine is with the red line, so it have little problem on it. So we need
先
to
关
check.
机，
So turn off the power.
然后我们打开这个盖子，
So open this one.
然后我们看到这两个感应器是不是正常的？这个小车能不能正常走？
So first we need to check this one can go well smoothly,
你们到这里，
and to get to this port.
到这里，然后这边，
So another side, so we get his one. So you need to check this one is normal or
这
not.
两个有没有撞坏？
And this black part is like the sensors. So you need to check these two is wear or not.
然后这一条线，这个位置有没有掉？
And also need to check this cable also. So you need to check this cable is fixed on this position is right or not.
然后我们检查完了，开机。
So okay, next we turn on the power again.
机器回位了，然后我们看一下这一个位置，
Okay.
然后按这个，看一下这里，
Check here number.
然后我们按一下这个零，正常是195，为0.0。
So the data it will show this number. This is normal. If not this number, so 如果不是呢？
按这个零，
If not this data, so press this button, so it will go to normal.
OK。